It's no doubt in our minds that Huawei is going to be able to overtake the competition that is in front of them with the recent setbacks that they've experienced and bulge their way forward with the Huawei Mate X. The Huawei Mate X recently sold out in China as of last week, and their numbers are up 23% despite the US crackdown too. This only means that Huawei will continue to steam forward with their latest device, the Huawei Mate X 5G, which is a folded screen with 8 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes of internal memory and storage, and a Kirin 980. Now, the Huawei device jumps into a new category of mobile devices, which has an adopting display, which has a soft bend, which can stretch numerous times without compromise, and has groundbreaking innovation too. Instead of the Samsung, the Huawei will be folding inwards on itself into an 8-inch tablet outward, and you can take advantage of a huge screen real estate. And this thing does come packed with 4G and 5G antennas too. This thing has a ton of cameras on the front and back of it, and this thing does have the world's fastest charging at 55 watts Huawei Super Charge, which is going to charge your phone 85% in 30 minutes. When it's open, we have 8 inches at 2480 times 2200. When it's closed, it's 6.6, 2480 times 1148. 2. The 8-inch screen display will be powered with a 4500 milliamp hour battery as well. So this thing does have a screen display of 2480 times 2200. When the screen is closed, it's 6.6 inches. Another thing to note is this thing will have a 40 megapixel wide angle camera with a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera and an 8 megapixel telephoto as well with Type-C 3.1, nano card slot, as well as NFC on board. But if you found this helpful, let me know in the comment section down below. It's your boy Serrano. I appreciate every last one of you. You guys are the real ones, but make sure you click the like button if you find it helpful and the bell so you can get notified for all videos just like this one. And I'll see you guys later. Peace, crew.